What I have explained in the previous episodes is the base, the core of the conditional mood in English. But there are a lot of flavors to it, different ways to express a condition. We're going to begin with the word happen. Take a look at this example. There is a chance I will win this game. If I do, I will give all the money to charity. We can also say it in the following way. If I happen to win this game, I will give all the money to charity. It's future real condition. As you can see, we use simple present. If I happen to win this game, it means I understand that there is a good chance that I will lose the game. But if somehow I win the game, this phrase, if I happen to win, shows that you are not too sure you can win. It shows doubts. Another example. A boy and a girl are going to get married. The boy says to his fiancée, "Don't worry, honey. If we happen to divorce any time in the future, I will let you have my house." Of course, now they love each other, and they think there is not a big chance they will divorce, because he thinks there is just a little chance that they will divorce. He uses "if we happen to divorce," which means that there is a little chance it will happen, not a big chance, okay? This phrase with happen can be used without if. Let's look at this example. A strange-looking man comes to the hotel and asks the manager, "Do you happen to know a guy named Lee Gordon? He used to come here to his girlfriend some time ago." And he means, is there any chance you know the guy named Lee Gordon? This guy is not sure the manager knows Lee Gordon because this manager sees very many people every day. He asks, "Do you happen to know a guy named Lee Gordon?" One more example. Kevin and Donna go to the restaurant to dinner. They ate 3 courses and a big dessert. After that, the waiter brings the bill. Kevin looks at the bill and realizes he doesn't have enough money on him. He feels embarrassed. He asks Donna, "Donna, do you happen to have $200 in you?" And he means, is there any chance that you have $200 on you? That's it for now. See you in the next episode. Stay tuned.